Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the cost of operating this refrigerator. It has 321 watts of power while operating. It uses only 1/4 of the time, and the cost of electricity is 14 cents per kilowatt hour. What is the cost for 31 days? So the answer is D, $8.35. Okay, so we can skip the free body diagram. There is no free body diagram. List all the given variables, find the cost. So that is step 1 and 2. Step 3, find the formula for cost. So power multiplied by hours multiplied by price. Step 4, we just plug and play. Note that we need to convert it into kilowatts so we can cancel out the units. So you divide 321 watts by 1,000. For the hours, you multiply that 1/4. Then you multiply 24 hours, and then you multiply by 31 days. So this will get you into hours, and that will cancel out the hours and the kilowatts as well. Okay, so you've got 0.321 kilowatts multiplied by your 1/4 multiplied by 24 hours multiplied by 31 days multiplied by your 14 cents per kilowatt hour, and that's how you get $8.35. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, you can follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program, then click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.